Hey everyone. If you've ever wished Shopify had a feature built exactly for your store, yeah, creating a custom app might be the answer. In this video, I'll show you the overall process in a simple way. First, be clear about the goal. I mean, custom apps are useful when existing apps can't fully solve your problem. Inside Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels. Click Develop Apps and allow custom app development. Click Create an App, give it a name, and assign a developer or yourself. Now set API scopes. Choose only the permissions your app actually needs, like products, orders, or customers. After saving, Shopify will generate API keys and tokens. Yeah, these connect your app to the store. Next comes development. I mean, this usually involves coding with Shopify's API using tools like Node.js or Python. Always test before going live. Use a development store or preview environment. Once ready, install the app in your store and monitor performance. And that's the big picture. Custom Shopify apps let you add powerful, tailored features to your business. Yeah, thanks for watching.